Click on the link below to get price. The QA1 Precision Products GS507 10500C kit is a standout solution for automotive enthusiasts seeking to enhance their vehicle's suspension performance. Designed specifically for GM muscle cars, this Pro-Coil Aluminum S-Adjustable kit delivers remarkable adjustability and durability, making it an excellent choice for both street and track applications. One of the most substantial benefits of this kit is its lightweight aluminum construction, which significantly reduces unsprung weight compared to traditional steel coil springs. This reduction not only improves handling but also enhances the overall performance of your vehicle. The tapered flat design is engineered for optimal weight distribution, ensuring that your car handles predictably and responsively in corners. Installation of the GS507 10500C kit is relatively straightforward, especially for those with a bit of mechanical experience. The components fit seamlessly into the factory mounting points, meaning you can often complete the upgrade without extensive modifications. This ease of installation is a significant advantage for DIY enthusiasts looking to improve their suspension without professional help. The adjustable feature of the shocks is another highlight. With easy-to-access settings, you can fine-tune the damping to suit different driving conditions, whether you're cruising on the highway or pushing your limits at the racetrack. The ability to adjust the stiffness allows for a customizable ride, giving you control over how your vehicle reacts to various road surfaces. Performance-wise, the QA1 kit shines. Users report enhanced stability and cornering capabilities, with a noticeable reduction in body roll. The ride quality is also commendable, striking a balance between comfort and performance. Even on bumpy roads, the suspension absorbs impacts effectively without compromising responsiveness. In conclusion, the QA1 Precision Products GS507 10500C kit is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to upgrade their GM vehicle's suspension. Its combination of lightweight construction, adjustability, and ease of installation makes it a compelling option for both casual drivers and serious racers alike.